Good afternoon, my people. The fantastic mind that I'm proud to see. What can I grow from this tree? I can grow whatever I want. All I gotta do is follow. Let's just talk about the fact that the global recession is in full effect. It is a dangerous time to invest, but I can say, looking at the bigger picture, look at 10 years from now at a time like this. 10 years ago, Tesla sat at $3.72 a share. Within 3 splits, sit at $242 a share. I believe that the numbers don't do me no harm, but I mean the encouraging time is coming. The housing market close to 7% interest rates with home value going down. I could see the scarcity on my people, but never think less to win. I may not be a financial advisor, but I am a real estate agent, and I can say that it's never a better time not to get a home. And within financing, there are loans that we could get pre-approved for a home, like FHA, VA, USDA. So master the technique that you have taught yourself to do, to see, to taste, to feel, to benefit from the fact that you're still here, meeting a quest that has no ending, searching for faith when the light is present. Endure the quest for mankind can rest assured. We do it for love, forever and evermore. Peace.